Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Everyone wants to keep their family as safe as possible when driving. That means investing in a vehicle that not only gets you to and from your destination, but also one that offers the latest in advanced safety features, especially if an unexpected disaster ever occurs. Yet, even with all of the latest technological advancements available at your fingertips, there's only so much you can do to prepare for the worst-case scenario. For instance, what would you do if your car somehow became submerged? Your first reaction would probably be to roll down your window or try to open your door, right? Unfortunately, that's not always possible. In fact, your vehicle's generally speaking, you'll want to break the window in your vehicle. But you don't want to waste time and energy doing it incorrectly, and you need to learn why you should always choose one window over the other. See, in all vehicles, the windows are made from two different types of glass. The windshield is designed to withstand being hit by a rock or another heavy object without shattering. The other windows, however, the side windows are designed with extremely break-resistant centers. That means that you can hit them with pretty much whatever you want, including a hammer, and they won't break. What happens if you hit them more toward the edges, though? To demonstrate how someone would go about choosing the window from which to escape should their car become submerged in water, Smarter Everyday tested the two different types of glass found in modern vehicle windows and the way they break. He first gathered two sample pieces of glass. One was tempered and could be found in the passenger and side doors of any vehicle, and the other was not tempered and was the kind of glass that was used for windshields. Then, Smarter Everyday broke each plate of glass by dropping them to the ground. Utilizing a high-tech slow-motion camera, he was able to film and see exactly how both pieces of glass would break. This, he hoped, would give people the answer of how to escape from their vehicle if they were trapped. You're going to want to see the differences between these types of windows, because it could just demonstrate the best way to keep your family safe in this harrowing situation. Learning the proper way to escape your car if necessary could very well save your life. Who knew these windows could be so difficult to break through? Luckily, we all now know exactly what to do in order to escape a sinking car. Share this important video with your friends below.